Oh no. No, 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 no. We're not bringing that hill into the house.
Maybe?
No.
Hi guys, and welcome back to the craft table. And if this is your first time here, I want to say a big welcome. Come on in, sit down, kick your shoes off, turn your imagination on. You're going to enjoy this. So, today's little DIY is just a fairy garden stone path. I have been working on my flower beds and fairy gardens and mint gardens and fountain out front. And I have a whiskey barrel tipped over, full of dirt, and it's spilling out, and we have little fairy houses and plants and stuff. And I was looking at it and I thought, it really needs a stone path. But I don't want to stick little stones right on the dirt and have them get covered up when it rains, or that type. I want to be able to tell it's a path. So I started using my imagination. I am going to make one that I can literally pick up the whole thing and carry it wherever I want. I could change it. I could maybe make it bigger, shorter. Let me show you. Piece of landscape cloth, Pebbles, white rocks for the edges, Dollar Tree item, popsicle sticks, scissors, clear silicone, throwaway container, and that's all we need. So let's get to work. Step 1. Grab yourself a piece of cloth. I have landscape cloth, they call it, because I had some. It could be anything, even a piece of paper. Something that's flexible, something that you can cut easily, and measure how long and wide you want it. Now this is as long as I want it, and it's a lot wider than I'm going to make this path. I'm not covering this whole thing, but I wanted to make my path wiggly down the mountain. So I cut a piece that would be wide enough so I could make it go crooked and sideways and that. So I am going to cut my material to the size I want my path. And there I have my path. Now I know where to place my rocks, and I'm going to be using these. I got them at Walmart. They were in the pet section. They're for aquariums, but I just love the colors. So I'm going to be using these, and I'm also going to be using these little white stones around them. And I'm going to be using the silicone as the glue. That way I know it's waterproof, and it's going to last a little longer than anything else that I would be or could use. is the beginning. Now I'm going to go down through and I'm going to do my path, and then when I'm all done, I'll show you what I've got. And there we have it. My little stone path, as you can see. Mine is very, very long. And I will show you after I put it out in the garden how it looks. And I can't believe just how easy it is. Time consuming, but it is so very easy. And just with some silicone, stones of your choice, little rocks, and these are second cousin to glitter. I've been finding them all over my house, all over, but so worth it. So I do want to thank you for taking the time out of your day to spend some with me, and I hope you were able to find that little spark of inspiration and to get that imagination going. And if you enjoyed this tutorial and would like to see more of these goofy little out of my head ideas, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so it lets you know when I send up a new one, and leave me a comment. Do you enjoy gardening? Do you prefer somebody else do your gardening? Small garden, big garden, vegetable gardens? Do you enjoy the outdoors? I know I do. So I want to thank you again, and I really hope you have a great week, and stay tuned. I'm going to show you what it looks like out in my fairy garden. So I will see you later. Bye bye now.